Hey, this is Ross Martin with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We just finished up a 3-car garage in Trinity. So this is a full chip broadcast, aliphatic urethane top coat. And what's nice about this job too is that the customer chose to have the baseboards put in. So we have some nice edges here going down to the pavers. We have all the details in on the floor, including the baseboards. And this color is khaki. I'm sorry, dolphin, which sort of has a khaki color to it. This color actually matches the exterior of the house real nice. Thanks for watching.